Hi guys, today I want to show you this 4-axis CNC drilling and tapping machine. Its effective travel covers 3000 millimeters and Y-axis 300 millimeters and Z-axis 200 millimeters with A-axis rotating 360 degrees automatically. It comes with a high rigidity and high power DT30 mechanical spindles and a 10 tools automatic tool changer moving together with spindle, so it can change tools at any time to improve production efficiency. Optional hydraulic chuck clamps tube automatically. Max clamping diameter 300 millimeters. Our customized V-type support fixtures ensure stable processing for big pipes. An intelligent probe is equipped. It auto measures height, finds edges, and centers workpieces. Data transfers to CNC system directly, and no manual setting needed. It guarantees machine accuracy and efficiency. Our CNC systems support multiple programming methods. It can link robots for automatic loading and unloading, and connect MES for digital production. Before delivery, every machine is calibrated with US API laser interferometer to ensure an accuracy of 0.02 millimeters. Also, we provide on-site installation, tuning, and operation training. Want to see more models? Follow my channel and check out my other videos. See you next time!